I don't think this is how it was supposed to come out. Egg basket fail or a success?
Few things you can never take from me. That's my heart, my talent, my soul. Enough of them I move like carbon copy and out of control.
Hey now people, welcome back to my channel. It is your redhead dancer Meka Meeks, and today we are going to be trying out another quick, easy Instagram food hack. So the name of this hat is called an egg basket. You're gonna need some type of a muffin pan, 2 eggs, or however many baskets you're looking to make. You're gonna need the amount of eggs. You're gonna need some cheese, any cheese of your desire, some fresh seasoning, and off to the side here I have my turkey bacon. You can use bacon, however I decided that I would use turkey bacon for this hat. And obviously just something to lightly grease your muffin pan. So as you can see, I only have 2 eggs here because I'm only going to be doing 2 baskets. So we're going to jump straight into it. Not long talking. Oh wait, have you subscribed to my channel yet? No? Then what are you waiting for? Head on down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get an alert every single time a new video is posted to my channel. And if you have subscribed already, thank you, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and feel free to share with a friend. All right. I hope when I like my little hand gestures there just now. But anyhow, we can get straight into this food hack for today. All right, so while we're doing this step, I have the oven on, preheating. So I'm going to spray my pan. I'm only doing 2, so I'm only going to spray these 2. That may have been a bit too much there, and just along the sides. All right, now the first step is to place your turkey bacon, or your ham rather, because remember I said the recipe, your bacon, because the recipe actually used bacon, but I'm gonna use turkey bacon instead. All right, and then we're gonna add in a little bit of cheese, or a lot. On to the next one. And we're gonna prep them right up to the cheese, and then we're gonna add in the other ingredients. Probably should have separated these 2, huh? Let's put this other one here. Even though it doesn't matter, because we're gonna fold in these pieces here, so it really doesn't matter. So let's just stick to it. And next up, the recipe has asked us, after we've added our cheese, you can go ahead and crack your egg and place it into the basket. Ooh, this egg is big. All right. And we're gonna place it into the other one. This is very simple. Nice little breakfast. Quick, fancy breakfast, little do down. And now we're gonna go in with our fresh seasonings. This isn't going to be a long video, so make sure you watch it to the end and give your support. Remember, feel free to share with a friend. All right, so we've added our seasonings. I like my eggs well seasoned, so I'm gonna try not to overdo for the sake of sticking to the recipe. Even though I did stray, they only used green onions. However, I used normal onions, or as we will call them, scallion. or some people call it chives. So I use onion, chives, and some sweet pepper. And now I'm going to add a bit of black pepper. And you can feel free to add any kind of seasoning you want to add. Yes, it's nice to stick to the recipes, but you know your taste, and if you want to ump it up a level, spruce it up, whatever you want to call it, do that. So I'm going to add some salt. Can't have no blind egg. So as we do this, how is everybody doing? Tell me down in the comment section if you are enjoying my content so far. If there's anything more that you would like to see out of my channel. If there's anything that you're not seeing like you would have been seeing before and you missed that content, don't hesitate to let me know down in the comment section. I do not bite. I only bite if I have to. So feel free to let me know. Also, I have another piece of content that is coming to my channel, so stay tuned for that. It is very much up my alley in dance, and it's something that you all can enjoy. I'm still trying to sort out the logistics of how I'm going to go about it on YouTube. So just stay tuned if you want to be part of that. And like I said, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what's going on. All right. So as y'all can see here, I went ahead to the, I would say, our second last step. And that is to add some more cheese onto the top of the mixture. And like I said, you can feel free to add as much or as little cheese as you want. I'm really hoping that this hat turns out good. A little nervous. Alright, so I think that's enough cheese. And then in the video, as you would have seen, we gotta fold these. Was it back? I think it was in. Fold these in. Yes, it was in. Alright, you see this one got a little tear, but hopefully that doesn't affect. Alright, so we are finished. Our final step is to get this bad boy into the oven for, I think they said 15 minutes. So we're gonna pop this in, wait 15 minutes, then I'm gonna come back with the taste test. So wish this good luck. Thumbs up this video, give it a like. We'll be back. As y'all can see, they are finished and they came out pretty good, I must say. So we're gonna jump straight into the taste test, because you know the final product, the final review really comes down to taste. So let's see. All right, so we finished. Here comes the taste tester. I left it in a bit over the allotted time, so it may not give you that porch egg, runny egg vibe, but we'll see. All right, so I don't know why I'm nervous. All right, let me dig in. I know this is not a dinner knife. I just grabbed the first knife that came to my hand. Ooh, look at that. Mmm. Alright. Y'all should know, but you know when I approve of food. It's got a little dance, a little shake. Sometimes no noise comes out. I'm just sorry I left them in for the 4 extra minutes, because it would be nice to see the runniness of it and just what that would have done to the texture of everything that's going on here. So anyhow, people, that is it for this TikTok food hack. I would say it was a success. Yay! Definitely stay tuned to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, as well as I do lifestyle vlogs, challenge videos. What else I do? I do reviews, food reviews, mukbangs. So stay tuned. There's something for everyone. All things that I enjoy, of course. So don't forget to subscribe if you have not. And if you have, a thank you. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with a friend. And give this food hack a try and let me know how it works. So for you, feel free to send me a picture or a video and let me know if you enjoyed it. This definitely, I think, is like a nice, pretty way to put together something for breakfast. So I am going to go now and enjoy my breakfast, because this is my breakfast, and I will see you all in the next video. So people, I love wanna bad, all faith, no fear, are gone.